how I feel when I do that.
Yeah. Hopefully hot doesn't go in the motor.
You're right.
It should be next time.
Hello and welcome to Eford Garage. Now we're back with the Pontiac C10 here. And well, here is the 400 from the machine shop. Now I got to do some things to it to prep it before we build it, such as cleaning it out. So I'm going to be pouring some oil down through this oil galley to clean out through the bottom because there is stuff in there. And you know, you clean your blocks before you build them, so what I'm going to do here, I'll blow a bunch of this stuff out and try to pre-clean it before I take it to my buddy's shop where we're going to build it and we're going to clean it again. I want to get some of the pre-clean done before I put that rear oil galley plug in, because that's a biggie. Once that plugs in, you know. Now I'm going to have to be really careful doing this because I shaved some of this off to fit down in that hole. Because there's looks like a pretty good chunk down in there. Right there, I think. Yep, this is kind of stuck in there. I may have to grab a old school method of getting stuff. So we're going fishing with an old metal coat hanger. Which would probably be better if I had a new one and I didn't have a bunch of kinks in it. But, you know, metal coat hangers are a little harder to find nowadays. So I always keep them. For just in cases. There it is. I think that's from the old freeze plug. Now we're putting in the rear oil galley plug. And it does have our hole drilled in it to oil the distributor shaft and gear, which hopefully keep the distributor a little bit cooler, but also because I'm running a melanized gear and a roller cam, keep that healthy too. A little Loctite on it because I don't want it to go anywhere, because if that comes out, that's not so good. I've got a block here, an engine stand, and some WD-40 down the head bolt holes, so we can chase them and clean them out before we do anything else.
And stop and drink a beer.
Yeah, well, maybe not.
Young, you said that's what you want.
Hell yeah. Got all these cleaned out, blown out. I'll be starting to look pretty good at least. At least the engine looks good, kinda. Oh yeah, look at that.
We're getting good oil back here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're all dripping wet. How's that side looking?
Saturated.
Good. You know what it is? All right, now here we are. Moved it at night. Brought it home. I'm getting ready to, well, bolt the transmission on. Got the SFI rated flex plate on. ARP bolts torqued down on that as well. Got my modified motor mounts to bolt in. They're modified, obviously, like I just said, to fit this truck. Grade 8 bolts. Got my brand new stall converter. I'm about to put some transmission fluid in. Now, I'm not going to put any in the transmission yet. Simply because I'm going to drop the pan and put the correct detent cable when it comes in. I ordered one and the end was too small to fit in the hole. It just wiggled around, so gotta wait on that. I actually took this transmission, this 204R that I got, to the transmission shop and had him swap out valve bodies. Took out that reverse manual, put a regular valve body in, because daily driving a reverse manual valve body would probably get old. So I'm gonna get ready to get this thing in, stab it in. That way we can make some progress coming up here pretty soon. Now these valve covers are just sitting on there, stuff doesn't get in. I think they're hitting. We tested it with the like this, but didn't put a gasket down, so maybe the gasket will change it, because this is barely lifting it. So I don't know. I got spacers as well, but my brake booster may not clear that, so figure all that out in a little bit. We're almost level 2 because I'm going to hit the control arm.
Yeah, tilt it down.
Yeah, I need to tilt it down to get the transmission under the.
Yeah.
Under the.
But you got a jack underneath there too?
I can eventually. Yeah. That's how I feel when I do that.
Yeah. Hopefully hot doesn't go in the motor.
You're right.
It should be next angle for the angle. Angle from the angle.
Oh, man. Yeah, I gotta replace the shocks. Because I put 2-inch drop shocks on here. Because I was like, well, I put drop spindles on here, 2.5-inch drop spindles. That doesn't change the geometry, so the 2-inch drop shocks don't work.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, I got new shocks already.
It looks good sitting So
Yeah.
that's the important part, remember?
Yeah, that is the important part. All right, so the engine is in. This has been a long time coming. So hopefully everything goes good. Oh, I turned the engine over when I torqued down the flex plate bolts. I'll figure out top dead center again. It's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
The valve covers aren't bolted down, so all I gotta do is take that off and spin it over and find top dead center, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
No, we'll just pull the distributor, turn it 180, and
What distributor? It ain't in yet.
if we don't do
Yeah.
TDC,
Oh yeah, you're right.
if the backfires, it'll be fine.
Yeah, so, okay. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but you know what? This is a big chunk of it, and yeah.
Transgender project is going very well, so.
I'm gonna have to cut that out, you know that. I don't want to get in trouble. Alright, so, engine's in, transmission's in. It's already marked as territory because I put some fluid in the converter, and when it went up at an angle, some of it dripped out, so it should be seated though, but whatever, it's fine. It's not coming back out now. Screw that. It's not coming back out. Alright. Engine, yeah, this is something. I'm happy. I got the engine in, and I can progress with this project and continue on. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification and hype button. As always, thanks for watching.